The family.
Hello! How are you?
I am fine, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Spiky Mikey. What is your name?
My name is Susie Lemon.
Who is that?
It is Mom. It is Dad. It is the sister. It is the brother. It is the grandmother. It is the grandfather. It is the aunt. It is the uncle. It is me. This is my family.
Who is that?
I don't know. I am a girl.
I am a boy. We are friends. The family.
Mom. Dad. Sister. Brother. Grandfather. Uncle. Aunt. Grandmother.
The family.